Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your account on Snapchat. Let's make our way over to your browser and search for how to use my Snapchat recovery code through the Snapchat support website. And once you're in, you're gonna see this login using a recovery code section to restore your Snapchat account. All you need to do is to follow these steps. And if you forgot your username or password, here's what you can do. Click on these three lines found in the upper right corner of your screen and click the Contact Us option. In this page, you have the option to submit a request if you no longer have access to your username or password. You can just choose on these reasons to restore your Snapchat account. Here's an example. If you can't access your account, you can choose the second option. After answering the two questions, you will just need to scroll down your screen and click the Yes option. And after that, it will bring you to this page and you are required to fill this up. You need to input your username, email, mobile number, and a description. And that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.